Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore how the future of school facility management is being shaped by advanced technologies, specifically sensors and the Internet of Things, which we'll refer to as IoT. You'll get a glimpse of how these technologies are revolutionizing schools around the globe and learn about the types of sensors commonly used in educational facilities. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stick around. This is just the information you need. Let's dive right into how sensors and IoT technology are revolutionizing the way schools manage their facilities. Imagine having round-the-clock access to your school's HVAC, water and plumbing, and utility data. That's exactly what sensors provide. They allow you to catch small problems earlier, save time, and reduce disruptions during the school day. But how does IoT fit into this? Well, IoT works hand in hand with sensor technology to incorporate smart building features such as automatic lights, water usage, and temperature control. Now, you might be wondering what types of sensors are commonly used in educational facilities. While there are hundreds of IoT sensors available today, a few are particularly popular in schools. Vibration sensors, for instance, are great for monitoring HVAC equipment. They can trigger predictive maintenance orders, ensuring that your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems are always running smoothly. Mileage sensors are another useful tool, helping to track work required on school-related vehicles. And let's not forget about energy usage sensors. If there's a sudden spike in energy consumption, it could indicate a system problem. Water level sensors are another key player. They can quickly notify a facility manager of problems such as leaky toilets, water pressure discrepancies, or water buildup in a rarely used basement area. And let me tell you, water damage is a common and costly problem that facilities managers face. It can cost thousands of dollars per incident to resolve. So, what are the benefits of using sensors and IoT technology in educational facilities? The biggest advantage is that they provide facility managers with a second set of eyes. Instead of relying on maintenance technicians to periodically check equipment and facilities, you have sensors operating 24/7. By setting acceptable ranges, facilities managers can know instantly when there's a problem. This real-time data means that problems can be addressed immediately before major damage occurs, saving both time and money. In essence, IoT and sensor technology help schools focus on what they do best, providing education in a safe, comfortable, and functional environment. Here's a quick tip before we wrap up. A CMMS, which stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System, can help automate, track, and manage this data affordably and efficiently. So, if you're a facility manager in a school or educational institution, it's definitely worth considering the implementation of sensors and IoT technology. And that brings us to the end of this video. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you now have a better understanding of how sensors and IoT technology can revolutionize school facility management. Remember, these technologies can provide a second set of eyes for facility managers, help catch small problems early, and ultimately save time and money. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. And don't forget to visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.